Hey guys, so I recently bought a S22 Ultra phone, which is the one that I'm actually using to record now, and I was kind of wondering what I would do with my Note 10 Plus. It's a little bit cracked on the side here and the battery's not so good. So I was thinking maybe what I'll do is I'll actually try using this phone as a dash cam while I drive around. So I'm going to put it in my high ace here and I'm going to show you the process of how I do it and what I do. And we'll also get some driving footage and things like that so that you kind of have an idea of what to expect if you were going to use your old phone to actually record. So let's go! Alright, so we're in the van now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount the Note 10 Plus to my phone mount. Unfortunately, the phone mount is not really placed there very well for what I want to do, so I'm going to set up a tripod, and that way you guys would have a really nice footage of the dash cam on the road. So yep, let's get on the road and actually see what this footage looks like. If you're thinking of using a dashcam app on your phone, it's important to keep in mind that you will need to have a charger with you for long trips, as the app will be using your phone's battery. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you the first footage now. I hope you enjoy it. The first app we will discuss is AutoBoy BlackBox, an Android app that is free to download and offers features like background recording, external memory card storage, and the ability to pause and resume recording. It also includes camera options like focus and zoom, and allows users to record and take photos at the same time. In addition, AutoBoy BlackBox includes video sharing options and advanced features like GPS tracking and a crash sensor. Droid Dashcam is another Android app that continuously records videos in loop. It includes hard-coded subtitles that show important information on the recording and allows users to continue recording in the background. The app also has auto start options based on events like charging, on-off, and Bluetooth connection, and offers features like automatic day-night video mode and the ability to share or upload videos. Both apps have unique features, so you might have to shop around to make sure you get the app that works best for you. So with that in mind, let's head home. So thanks for watching the video, guys. I really hope you enjoy it. Like and subscribe and leave a comment to tell me what you think. There's many ways that you can really use your phone. It's just a question of being a little bit creative. So, see you in the next video. Peace.